A Birmingham icon returns. The Anchor Digbeth reopens. For those who love a good pub with a rich history, get ready to raise a glass. The Anchor Digbeth, a Birmingham landmark since 1797, has triumphantly reopened its doors after an extensive and loving restoration. This isn't just any pub. It's a piece of Birmingham's soul, meticulously brought back to life by new landlord Peter Connolly. Recognized by Historic England as a Grade II protected heritage site, the building's terracotta facade, designed by James and Lister Lea, the architects behind some of Birmingham's most stunning Victorian pubs, is a sight to behold. But here's where it gets controversial. Preserving history while adapting to modern tastes is a delicate balance. Do they get it right? The Anchor has deep roots in the city's Irish community, particularly as it was owned by successive generations of the Keane family since the 1970s. Situated in Birmingham's Irish Quarter, a haven for Irish immigrants since the 1820s, the pub is more than just a watering hole. It's a cultural cornerstone. Peter Connolly, the new custodian, shared his excitement. It's a pleasure to finally reopen the doors to this wonderful building, following a renovation that took a little longer than expected, but good things come to those who wait. He emphasized the importance of preserving the pub's heritage, stating, "Key for me was to restore the Anchor Digbeth in a way that is synonymous with traditional Irish and British pubs." The restoration is a testament to the pub's legacy, preserving its original features like the mahogany and rosewood bar, Minton floor tiling, and stained glass windows. The original layout of the main bar, back room, and snug has also been maintained. And this is the part most people miss. The Midland Red Bar. In a nod to the historic Birmingham and Midland Motor Omnibus Company Limited, Midland's Red, depot next door, now Birmingham Coach Station, a section of the main bar has been restored. It's a tribute to the pub's past as a favorite spot for bus drivers from 1929 to 1986. The bar features upholstery in the same color as the famous bus livery, along with photographs and posters donated by National Express. Richard Parker, the mayor of the West Midlands, praised the Anchor as a fantastic heritage asset. New additions include a playful garden mural inspired by the 1928 Cadbury campaign and a cheeky take on Michelangelo's The Creation of Adam on the back bar ceiling. The revamped garden space, with new decking, lighting, and a new access point, complements the interior. Connolly and his team are also working with local organizations to improve the surrounding area. With 6 new cask lines for Alesh and cider, 3 keg lines for independently produced Alesh, and partnerships with local brewers and distillers, the Anchor Digbeth is set to be a hub for local beverages. The relaunch event, attended by members of UB40, Mayor Richard Parker, and leaders from Birmingham's Irish business community, marked the beginning of a new chapter. The pub opened to the public on Friday, October 31st. Introduced by Professor Carl Chin, long-term building owner Jerry Keane, and with performances from an Irish piper and renowned trad folk musician Peter Connolly. The launch saw 160 figures from across the city welcome to the building to celebrate its reopening. What do you think of the restoration? Does it honor the past while embracing the future? Share your thoughts in the comments.